Are you somebody who has trouble trusting the universe? क्या आपको यूनिवर्स को ट्रस्ट करने में दिक्कत आती है? You feel that you cannot trust the universe. You feel that you're too controlling towards your present. You feel you're too impulsive towards your present and in your current reality. You know, do you feel that? Do you feel that you have to manage everything on your own? Do you feel that anxiety? Do you feel, you know, and you cannot be calm and just okay with the present moment? Do you feel that? Then this video is for you. So, आपको ये कोई नहीं बताएगा, but let me tell you कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है the most, जितना मेरा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, my spiritual journey that I had covered, your innocence and your trust are the most valuable assets ever. And they are in abundance while you were a kid. And as you grow up, you start losing faith because society tells you, you know, they put on their fears onto you. The culture, the education system, the workplaces, they all put that fear onto you. They give that fear to you, okay? They tell you, society tells you, you know, you have to do it this way. Otherwise, it's not going to work out, right? You might and land up in trouble if you don't do it this way already. You know, everyone is trying to basically put fear in your mind for the present moment. You are bound to feel fearful, you know. There's so much fear because people have gone away from the truth. They never stayed in the truth, and they're so fearful. They never even, you know, stepped into the truth of the present moment and just experimented with it. कि यार देखते हैं, अगर हम ये नहीं करते हैं जो ये सब लोग हमें बोल रहे हैं करने को, जो ये सारे फियर्स हम पे डालने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, स्टार्टिंग से ही हमें फियर सिखाया जाता है. Very starting, from our families. It starts with our families and then goes out into our education system again. You know, ये कर लो नहीं तो मार्क्स बहुत कम आएंगे, as if it matters. Literally. As if it matters. There are n number of examples, okay, where people have dropped out of schools very early on and are successful in life. The many CEOs that we have, you know, not CEOs, I think Mark Zuckerberg, you know, invented Facebook. He was, even Steve Jobs, I remember him going, I don't know about Mark Zuckerberg. I think he didn't went to college, I guess. I don't know, something like that. So these people who have defied the systems, you know, even Steve Jobs. I remember he went to a college graduate ceremony something, and then he said that I've never been to college and look, I'm here as a chief guest here. So people who have defied systems, you know, have actually gone far in life. And now I see the many people who have done homeschoolings and everything, you know. In families, we are taught, do this, otherwise you have no idea what would happen, you know. Otherwise, you could end up into trouble. So our families, our education system, our workplaces, you know, they all put you into that illusion of fear. And it's so crazy. None of us ever try to experiment. Ki, let me not do it. Let me not, you know, fear this. Or let me just be still and, you know, just not listen to them. And let me just experiment and see whether I'll really land up in trouble. Did we? And, you know, in order, you know, to save ourselves, in order, you know, in order to save ourselves from the fear that hasn't, from the thing that hasn't even happened, you know, we have gone into doership. और फिर हमारे अंदर घमंड आता है कि यार हम ये कर रहे हैं ना, तभी ये सब चल रहा है, तभी ये सब सेटल्ड है, हमने ना वो किया था, उसी वजह से आज देखो इट्स गोइंग से, अरे मैंने ना इंश्योरेंस ले लिया था, तभी देखो आज ये हो रहा है क्या? अरे मैं इंश्योरेंस का लेके कुछ नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि वो गलत है या सही है, बट एक डूअरशिप आ जाती है हमारे अंदर, एंड दैट ब्रिंग्स इन मोर फियर. अगर हमने ये नहीं किया ना तो फिर वो हो जाएगा, अगर हमने ये नहीं किया ना तो ये हो जाएगा. तो डूअरशिप और फियर बहुत ज़्यादा रिलेटेड है, and they're inversely proportional to trust. You're gonna lose trust more and more in the universe. The more fear you have, the more doer you become. The more doer you become, the more fear you're gonna have, and it's directly proportional. Fear and doership. Whereas if you try and not listen, you stay in your own truth. कि आपका truth क्या है, आप उस truth के साथ अगर आप रहते हो ना, you stay with that truth कि यार मैं तो नहीं मानूंगा ये लोग जो मुझे बोल रहे हैं, अगर मुझे दिल में नहीं आ रहा है, मेरे दिल में इतना डर नहीं है. देखो, either you have that much fear as other people have, then you're bound to come into their agreement. Okay, अगर आप में इतना डर है तो हो सकता है कि आप easily इस डर को पकड़ लो. बट अगर आप स्पिरिचुअली बहुत स्ट्रांग हो, ये सब एब्स्ट्रैक्ट चीज़ें ही दिखती नहीं है कभी भी. ट्रस्ट और इनोसेंस ये दिखती नहीं है. they are there, they're very abstract concepts, they are inside you. It's God only who can see it. हम सिर्फ मटेरियल देख सकते हैं, but it's God, and you can always sense and feel abstract things, right? So मैंने ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग देखे हैं जो बलि का बकरा बन जाते हैं. They become scapegoats basically. Why? Because I have done a video also on that. Are you carrying other people's karma or baggage? So yeah, it's on a similar lines. You can watch that video as well. I'll be linking it in there. So yeah, आपके अंदर इतना fear नहीं होता, लेकिन society, समाज, बहुत सारे लोग, your friend circle, your inner circle, sometimes your own partners, so they might put in so much fear in you, and you might come into that fear, though your trust levels are high, but sometimes you get taken away by those fears. And the more trust levels you have, the more people are going to come towards you to tell you, how you need to fear. Because, and why they do that? वो आपको क्यों डराते हैं? आपकी लाइट देख के आपके और पास आएंगे और आपको और डराएंगे. पता है क्यों? क्योंकि इससे ये साबित हो जाएगा कि वो जो डर रहे हैं वो सही है और आप जो नहीं डर रहे हो वो गलत है. Because all of their life they have feared and done things. अगर आप ऐसा नहीं करोगे तो उनकी पूरी लाइफ गलत हो जाएगी यार. So they come towards you. उनको एडवाइस देने का कुछ हो ना हो, they will come towards you and they'll try to tell you कि नहीं भैया, you have to fear it. हमने तो पूरी जिंदगी अपनी ऐसे जी है, हम तो डर डर के डूअरशिप में जिए हैं. So you also have to do this. Okay, if you are little spiritually enlightened, you're little spiritually awakened, people are going to come towards you and tell you how you need to fear it, how you need to fear everything, and how you need to get into your doership. अगर आप हिंदू मिथ्स भी देखो, बहुत सारे, आई एम वॉचिंग शिव शक्ति राइट नाउ. इट्स अ हिंदू मिथ. इट्स अ टेलीविजन शो ब्रॉडकास्टेड हियर इन इंडिया ऑन कलर्स टीवी. सो उसमें भी शिव भी ही बोज डाउन टू द डेस्टिनी, ही बोज डाउन टू द नियति. वो कहते हैं कि मेरा काम वरदान देना है. ये राक्षस आया है, ठीक है, बट मेरा काम वरदान देना. आई नीड टू बी इन माई ट्रूथ, आई नीड टू बी गॉड माई सेल्फ, and he gives it away. Usne, he has done that much tapasya, whatever, let me just give it. And he leaves it on to Niyati. He leaves it on to universe. And universe, light is always larger than dark. Light is always larger than dark. Light will always win. Truth, love is always going to win. Even if you see महाभारत में भी, महाभारत की जो स्टोरी है उसमें कहते हैं there were 5 पांडव्स 5 पांडव थे और 100 कौरव थे. वो 5 पांडव, you know, चाहे वो you know सच्चे लोग कमी क्यों ना हो या जो ट्रुथ के बात पे चलते हैं वो लोग कमी क्यों ना हो, but they will always gonna win. You know, that's the whole point at the end of the day. You know, that's how Niyati works, that's how universe works. But none of us ever had the patience to just to be still and let universe work. Even Shiva, you know, in Hindu myths, he bows down to destiny. He bows down to Niyati. He says, I have to do what I have to do. What's my role in the story? He doesn't believe that he's God. He believes that he has a role in the story, and his role is to give away the boon, even to the demons, even to the Rakshas. And, you know, whatever happens next, you know, that will be ultimately decided, you know. And never, ever, in all those stories, ever has happened that the truth, however difficult it seemed, it always, you know, it never died. Love, truth, they never died. They always won. So, it's crazy. Some miracle would happen, something would happen, you know, but it's always a true heart that wins. A heart which is pure, which is full of love, you know, a heart which is following its truth, a heart which is following Shiva. It always wins. So yeah, if you are somebody who has lost trust in the universe, then you need to understand that most of the things that you thought you did, you know, you never did that in the first place. They are there with you. अब मैंने ऐसे बहुत सारे post करे हैं Instagram पर, where, you know, I've been talking about, you know, recently I posted something like, you know, there are certain people's energy, you know, if they are into your life, you know, I don't know, you know, the female, the girl child, you know, is usually called the Lakshmi of the house. You know, wherever she steps in, it's always gonna have a lot of money, wealth, abundance, you know. And it does really happen, you know. Sometimes you really hear parents saying, yaar, you know, since this child was born into a house, we are really having an abundant time and everything. And some people's energy is like that. It's very fulfilling, you know. And somebody who was more in the ego and doership might not even see that angle, you know. He would think that it's his doing, it's his way of working. So that's how you miss the whole point, you know. There are many things that you think you're doing, but you are not. You are literally not. If you see the teachings of Lao Tzu also, he has the same teachings, you know, somewhere. Yeah, he talks about flow, you know. So yeah. और हम कितनी ईगो लेके चलते हैं कि यार ये सब हम कर रहे हैं. Most of the time it's universe grace. Most of the time it's God's grace that things are happening in your life, you know. But if because if they don't happen, you're gonna be torn apart, you know, because आपका वो level ही नहीं है कि आप उतनी सारी problems को झेल सको. So God is like, okay, you know. So if somebody who is very fearful, अगर आप बहुत डरते हो और आप विश्वास नहीं कर पाते हो, तो आपको थोड़ा सा literally you need to reflect on your life कि यार ठीक है, मैं मानती हूँ कि डर में जो आप चीज़ें करते हो वो काम करती हैं, मैं ये नहीं बोल रही वो काम नहीं करती, बट अगर आपने डर को निकाल दिया एक बार, डर को कोई निकाल नहीं सकता, यू विल ऑलवेज फील दैट, यू नो. ऐसी बहुत सारे इंस्टेंसेस मेरी लाइफ में हुए हैं वेयर, यू नो, आई हैव ब्रीच्ड लिटिल बाउंड्रीज, यू नो. I've been like, I'm not going to be afraid. I'm going to walk this path. I'm not going to be afraid. I'm going to walk this path. And whenever I did that, you know, I've always come out of that situation very clean and neat. Okay. Always. And still further, when I still do something like this, when I still step into, you know, the present and I take the action that I'm not going to be afraid, When I still get into that zone, I still get fear. I'm not saying that fear just goes out. I don't know, it has never happened. You feel the fear and it's okay to feel the fear, but not taking action in that fear. Just try it once. Don't take action in that fear and let life happen to you. Maybe some miracle happen to you. Allow it at least. Yeah. That's it. Because I see a lot of people, how unconscious they are, and how they keep on being in fear, and then they want others also to be in fear, and they don't like when others are not into fear. They hate it. They hate when they see that others are not into fear and they are into fear, because it makes them question their whole identity, their whole life. Were they wrong for fearing so much? And yes, they were wrong. But they have to take their own time to accept it. It's their life path and it has nothing to do with you. So yeah, thank you for watching the video.